Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use your Vibe blender to make your own tahini. Now tahini is a really versatile product. It's a sesame seed paste that you can use for sauces, dressings, and your favorite dips. It's very easy to do. Let's get straight into it. To start off, lightly toast 3 cups of white sesame seeds in a heavy based pan and allow them to cool down till they're warm to the touch but not hot. Then pour the sesame seeds straight into the blender jug and insert the tamp into the lid. Blend on nut mode on low to medium speed, using the tamp to push the seeds down into the blades. You may need to stop and scrape down the sides occasionally. It'll take around 5 minutes for the oils to start properly releasing. Be patient with it. It'll start as a thick paste and over time it will become glossy and smooth. For a runnier tahini, this is where you could add a couple of tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and blend until combined. Keep adding olive oil until you're happy with the consistency. You can use this straight away or pour it into a sterile jar and it will keep in the fridge for up to a month. So there you go, it's so easy to make your own pantry staples at home without any of the nasties. A couple of minutes in the blender and you're good to go. Peanut butter and Nutella and now tahini, the Vibe blender can do it all. We've got recipes and videos for all of those, so check that out. Have a look at the blog for more, and if you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back very soon with another recipe.